Can technology hinder punctuality? Hinder means rukawat. Can technology hinder punctuality as much as it helps? Punctuality helps us come on time. Technology helps to be more productive. Can technology also helps to be on time, or sorry, have a negative effect also? Yes.
Okay, means you are asking that does technology have any negative effect
Yes,
on
yes,
punctuality?
yes, yes.
Okay, well, let me think.
Please take your time. Take your time.
Uh,
We're not in a hurry. We
yeah,
have time.
in my opinion, punctuality can hinder. Technology can
Yes.
hinder punctuality. I would like to give an example. As a smartphone is also an technology. Nowadays, it's very much contemporary. Nowadays, it's contemporary that everybody is using a smartphone, and they all are being addicted to the we can say the social media apps, and the time passes like seconds, means hours passes like a second. So
Hours passes in a
hours
second.
passes like a second. We don't have a watch on a time. So क्या बोलेंगे?
Come on, Mutin, it's difficult. You try. You can do it, inshallah.
Indirectly it affects the punctuality, like we get totally in the smartphones and the social media, so
Right.
we don't have a watch on time. Sorry
Yes.
for repetition, but I'm trying to say that. So this happens to the
Acha, let me say something, then you try again.